Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Okta for partners in no-code marketplaces, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Okta for partners in no-code marketplaces, start by setting up your Okta developer account. Navigate to the Okta developer site and register for a free account. Once your account is created, log in to the Okta dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Applications in the side menu. Select Add Application to begin creating a new application integration. Choose the option for Web as your platform. Click Next to proceed to the application settings. In the settings, provide a name for your application, such as No Code Marketplace. Set the sign-in redirect URI to match your marketplace's endpoint. Add additional logout redirect URIs if necessary. Click Done to save your application configuration. Next, take note of your client ID and client secret. In the Okta dashboard, navigate to API and then select Tokens. Generate a new token to use for the authentication process. Store your API token securely, as it will be required for authorization. With your application set up, integrate the Okta SDK into your no-code platform. Follow the specific integration instructions provided by the no-code marketplace. Configure your application to use the client ID, client secret, and API token in the authentication process. Implement the authentication flow, which typically includes redirecting users to Okta for sign-in. After successful authentication, users will be redirected back to your marketplace. Ensure to handle user sessions appropriately to maintain security. Once implemented, test the authentication process to ensure it works seamlessly. Make any necessary adjustments based on user feedback or testing outcomes. Document your authentication process for future reference and maintenance. This completes the guide on authenticating with Okta for partners in no-code marketplaces. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.